Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the general section, let me go back. In the general section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's scroll down again to reach the reset options. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, or actually both options which are at the top are connected with resetting the networks, because you can decide whether you want to reset mobile network settings or also Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So simply tap on the option and then tap on reset settings. Tap on reset settings. Of course, your device will inform you that you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings. We've got this information. And of course, the same situation whether you want to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So simply tap on it and tap on reset. As you can see, we've got this information also, which is, I just wanted to say that dividing those options, so the mobile networks and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, is quite cool and useful, because it is, to be honest, the very first time when I see that those options were divided. Usually you have to reset everything at once, so the mobile data, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and here you can pick, so that's nice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.